This wand is gonna break down into 3 easy pieces. It's got some onboard storage for a 15, a 40, and a soap nozzle. And then also a turbo nozzle that we had installed here. The turbo nozzle has an awesome storage spot right here. This unit's gonna be electric, so it's gonna run off a corded power. So we'll unplug our power. On one side here, we've got our water source. On the opposite side, we have the hose for the wand. It's gonna have an on and off switch and then onboard soap container as well. Our soap container here is also removable. That way, if you have any leftover soap left in your reservoir, you can easily dump that out and save it for your next use. And then it goes back in extremely easily. You're also gonna have this very nice briefcase or suitcase style extension to be able to cart around. And then it's gonna have some wheels as well to easily move. The hose style that's gonna be attached to the wand is gonna be an M22 by 14, which is gonna be a pretty standard size. So if you had to replace or wanted to upgrade from this 25-foot hose, you could easily do so. Now that I've got our hose wound up here, you can kind of tuck it in underneath your handle there, and you're off. One nice thing about this unit is it can run vertical like this, or you can flip it, and it can also run while it's horizontal here. And this durable frame is gonna allow for you to be able to stack things on top of there as well if needed. It's gonna be extremely lightweight, so it's easy to move around on the job site as well. This unit's also gonna be CETA, CETA certified.